Welcome to IXC.com. To create a playlist, simply navigate to the Images Videos tab, select Media, and create a playlist. You can also use the checkbox to select multiple items and click the Add to Playlist button. In the pop-up, you can add media to a new or existing playlist. Name the new playlist and save. Please note that you can either select a single image or multiple images to create a playlist. As you can see, a playlist is created with the selected media. You can also use IXC Library to choose Media for You playlist. To do so, navigate to the Images Videos tab in the main menu. Press the IXC Library and choose from Vast Collection available. Choose the images and add them to the playlist by clicking on Add to Playlist. You can see the playlist you just created by viewing the updated playlist. Now your playlist is ready to broadcast. Simply adjust the media delay, rearrange the order, and click Broadcast.